Good morning, everybody. Smil C. I'm here at Target today. I haven't been here in about a month. Looking for some new retail. I think the Rookies and Stars is out, and I haven't opened up any Donruss basketball yet, so go look for that. So let's see what they got inside. I found a hanger box and hanger pack and some loose packs. I don't know if they make blasters or not, but there's no blasters here at Rookies and Stars. Good stock though. They have a lot of stuff. Hey everybody, just came out from that Walmart I showed you last week. Had a pretty good card section. Nothing real new except for one thing. This discounted 2013 box for $11.98. It's not a blaster box, it's kind of like a retail box. Looks like it has 16 packs, 12 cards per pack, so tons of cards. And it does say chance for autos and relic cards. It also says it has these exclusive rookie cards in the 1969 design. Pretty cool little find there, I think. So we'll open this up, see what's inside. Okay, before we open this box, I just want to announce the giveaway winner. Thanks for all who entered, and if you didn't get a chance or didn't win this month, like I said, I'll have it every month, so check again in January. I think my first card show in January is the 21st, so it'll be around that time. The winner was Brandon. He picked Derek Carr, and I got this Derek Carr Clear Vision jersey card numbered to 99, 84 and 99. Congratulations, Brandon. Just send me an email to submittlesc@gmail.com with your shipping information, and I'll ship that out to you. Congratulations, and thanks for entering. One more announcement before I open up this retail box of 2013 Topps. Starting December 21st, I'm going to attempt to do a video every day for 15 straight days. I have basketball, baseball, and football boxes to break. I'm not sure if I have enough for 15. I'll figure it out, but I want to put a video up every day, 15 days, starting next Wednesday. So keep an eye on the lookout for that. Alright, let's see what's up with this discounted Topps box I found at Walmart. Like I said, this is like a retail box, not a blaster box. Hopefully there's one hit. I know a lot of people don't like 2013. It's not a deep class. There's actually a lot of players still playing from the class, and as a bingo fan, I have Eifert and Bernard rookies in this, so I kind of like 2013 product. For a chance of pulling those. Go through the base kind of quick since we have a lot of cards to go through. Looks like we got a gold right off the bat, a Rambo rookie gold, and 1628 of 2013. And right there, the little throwback 1969 design of Eifert. Awesome. I do collect some of his stuff too, with AJ Green. Alright. Greenway, rookie of Bray. Richardson rookie. And Kuechly. Alright, good first pack. It's got the hanger, like a hanger pack. Kind of different. So hopefully, it says look for autos and jerseys, so it doesn't look like it guarantees one out of these. We got a second gold in a row. McClevin, numbered 1458 out of 2003. 20. Pretty cool, 2 golds already. And a Montana insert. Can't complain about that. Swearinger rookie card. McDonald rookie. Alright. So far so good with this cheap retail box. Come on. Alright, Roberts, Manningham, Smith, Gates. Got a Bowman Mini, a nice Russell Wilson insert, Future Legends. And a camo of Zach Miller. Cool. These are $4.99, $3.99. 231, 399, 3 straight serial number cards. Marcus Hunt rookie card for the Bengals. Le'Veon Bell rookie card. Very nice. Wow, this has been great so far. We got a bunch of packs, 16 packs total. I think 16 packs. Monte Sherman. Drew Brees, 4,000 yard club. Victor Cruz, Future Legends. Tom Brady. Fluker rookie. D. Miller rookie. And Cutler. Try to pick up the pace here. It's not too long of a video. AP. Eli Manning Mini. Calvin Johnson, Future Legends. David Wilson doing the flip. Zeke, rookie card. Alright. If you like this 2013, I am getting I think a 2013 Elite Football Hobby Box coming. So we're getting that. EJ Manuel throwback. Jason Witten. Alonzo rookie short. Old. Doesn't look like I put a dent in the box yet. 12 cards times 16 packs. What is that? That's a lot of cards. Des Bryant, 1,000 yard club. Deion Jordan, rookie. Fisher, rookie. Rogers, rookie. And Ray Maluga. Anybody knows how much these were to start with? Let me know. These retail box. My guess is around 40, but I don't know for sure. Peyton Manning, 4,000 yard club. Brian Hartland. Robert Woods, rookie. Dale, rookie. A lot. Alright, so I had all the serial number cards early. First 3 packs of serial number cards. I haven't hit one since. But a lot of inserts. Michael Murray, Mini. Yeah, rookies of McDonald, Terrence Williams, Moore. We got a Flacco. Gotta be close to halfway. The pack is kind of hard to open. Russell Wilson, Jerry Rice, Pugh, Eifert rookie, second Eifert rookie, very nice. I'm gonna move this stack. Not huge cards, but a nice, some value there, here and there. $12. We got Peterson. We got rookies of Sean Williams, Begley, and Barkley. It's playing okay for the Bears. These are turned out which way. Clay Matthews mini. Andy Dalton. Get a rookie of Floyd. Rhodes. Vikings pack. Oh, nice DeAndre Hopkins. Base rookie. Mateo rookie throwback. Fitzgerald insert. Cordell Patterson, playing better this year. Alright, no more serial number cards. Why were they all on top? Jordan Nelson, Chiefs. Cool, Marcus Allen, Gridiron Legends. Tom Brady, a nice insert. Boyce rookie, Harper rookie. Ed Reed. Alright, we're getting down there. Oh, there's a big piece of styrofoam on the bottom. That was, I was thinking, man, I still got tons of packs to go. I just got 2 more packs. So, come on, let's get a jersey hit. Something like that. Gronk. Carson Palmer, 4,000 Yard Club. Calvin Johnson. Got some rookies. Zach Ertz. Alright, last pack. Rondé Barber. Colston. Quentin Patton. Jones. Alright, that was it. No hits, but what, 3 serial number cards in the first 3 packs. A lot of good rookies, a lot of good inserts. That was kind of a fun break for $12. That's it for this 2013 retail football box. Catch you next time, guys. Thanks for watching.